So in this video, we're going to solve another problem using formulas. I'll probably do a couple more videos like this and try to expose you guys to the most common formulas that will come up in real world situations. So I'll just go ahead and show you the problem and then talk you through it, and then I'll give you the tools you need to solve the problem. So here we go. The temperature in London is 20 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? Okay, so this is a problem that can pop up a lot for Americans, because I think the United States is the only country that uses Fahrenheit, at least as far as I know. So pretty much everyone else uses Celsius. But then again, that makes it a problem for everyone, because anyone from outside the United States traveling to the U.S. or getting news or weather from the U.S. Is going to have to convert from Fahrenheit back into what they know, which is Celsius. And anyone from the U.S. traveling abroad or else getting news abroad is going to have to convert from Celsius to what they know is Fahrenheit. The important thing to remember is that 20 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Fahrenheit are not the same thing at all, and we'll see how different they are. But there is a simple equation that we can use to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it is, I'll go to black, Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. And you can see there that F stands for Fahrenheit and C stands for Celsius. So this equation tells us that Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 the temperature in Celsius plus 32. So if we have the temperature in Celsius, we just use this equation and we can find the temperature in Fahrenheit. So they gave us 20 degrees as the temperature in Celsius, so I'm just going to substitute in 20 for C here. So we get F equals 9/5 times, I'll make it nice and use white, 20 plus 32. Okay, now we simply multiply here, do some arithmetic, and that's going to give us, I'm just going to cross this out here. So divide by 5 there, divide by 5 there, we're left with 40 on top of, or 4 on top up here. So 9 times 4 is 36 plus 32, and add those together. F equals 68. So that means that the temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we need to check this, and we could just plug back in 68 here for F and 20 for C, and see if the left side is equal to the right side equation. That tells us that it should work. That's what we should do, but I'm going to take this opportunity to show you the other equation that is typically used when converting between temperature scales. It's just a rearrangement of the one we just used there. So it is C equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. And once again, C and F just stands for Celsius and Fahrenheit. So to check this problem, I'm just going to try to kind of do it backwards, do it in reverse of what we just did. I'm going to plug in 68 for F here, and it should give us 20 for C when we work this out. So I'll do that now. C equals 5/9 times, I like using white here to show I'm plugging in, 68 minus 32. So now, once again, it's just a matter of multiplication. Do it inside parentheses first. That'll make your life easier. 5/9 times 68 minus 32 is 36. And once again, I'll do it by hand here. Divided by 9. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So that works out. We start with 68 and got 20. So that tells us that our solution of 68 degrees Fahrenheit was correct. So I'll make my concluding statement now. They asked us to find the temperature in London when the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So that tells us that the temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So when converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit, the first equation that we use back here up on top in black there is the one that you want to use. And when you're converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, the top one up here is better to use. But you can use either and get a solution with a little rearrangement. So that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.